It's your boy OG350. And yeah, I know I ain't been on the page much with my face, but I got my lady. We right here chilling. That girl T-Rock one time in your mind. And we're gonna drop this motor, you feel me? This little 5.3 in that 75C10. My video's been a little sketchy lately, you know, it's all good, but I'm gonna start getting more content. Shout out to that boy Built on the Budget, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my lady like the videos, you know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to HHP, you feel me? HHP, been in the game for years, you know, he's straight out of Cali, moved out to Texas, so shout out to him. Shout out to that boy 87SS, you know what I'm saying? Everybody who doing their thing, motivating me to get the footage right, but you feel me? Y'all gonna come along with us on this little journey of dropping this 5.3 in this 75 square body. Oh yeah. Alright, baby, so first and foremost, we gotta get the torque specs right on these particular bolts right here. So once we get the torque specs for those, she's gonna torque those down, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and lift that thing up, put it on over there. You cool with that? You ready?
Cool with that. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's do it.
Yeah, yeah. Truck lowered 6 inches in the front, so of course the hoist won't fit up under. So we're gonna jack the truck up, then we should be able to drop the motor.
So guys, the bumper is in the way. We can't get it all the way up, so we're gonna remove the bumper and then we're gonna go ahead and drop this motor. Stay tuned. Alright, we back. ZNT's garage. We had to take the bump off, but baby told you what happened. I know you having fun, ain't you? You got what I'm talking about. They recording now too. Yeah, man.
the motor mounts. Yup, my baby got it in there real nice, slow and steady. You see that? That one went in there just fine. Yeah. Okay. You see the truck now with the motor in there. Things are yours truly. How you feel?
Bravo. I feel good.
That's what's
Can't
up.
wait to drive it.
That's what I'm talking about. Wheels up. Look crazy. Gotta clean all this pollen off, but George ain't playing with them, boy. You feel me? It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day to drop a motor, everybody. Beautiful day. That's what's up. 5-3 LS swap. Already.